Hi guys, this is Ajay and Rupali for Vihang Adventures at Bapatla Golden Sands. Uh, Firstly, this is a beautiful place and adventure with Vihang was very nice.
We really had fun. Air safari.
And he will show you what it is, how it looks like. But it's very, you can surely experience it. It's worth experiencing it. Enjoy that adventure. Don't miss it. Come here for sure. And while going or before, when you come first, enjoy this ride and adventure.
Definitely go for this ride.
Sure. Thank you.
Hi, Vihang and Golden Sand Beach. Thanks to them, it's a good experience andi. Chala baagundi. Mana Andhra Pradesh lo manaki ilanti ride ilanti experience anedi chala great. Veelu conduct chesindi kuda chala baagundi. ఎందుకంటే మనము గోవాకి అక్కడ ఇక్కడ పోయేదన్నా మన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ లో మన ఇండియాలో మనం ఇక్కడ చాలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. థ్యాంక్స్ టు Vihang and all the best for the future and also.